Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problem provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start our today's video. Height checker. A school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Let this ordering be represented by the integer array expected, where expected I is the expected height of the ith student in the line. You are given an integer array heights representing the current order that the students are standing in. Each height is the height of the ith student in line 0 indexed. Return the number of indices where height of I is not is equal to expected I. So if this is the input where height is equal to this, we have an output 3 because our height is this and expected height is this. So 2, 4 and 5 do not match. If you see our third example where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they all are matching. So all indexes match. So the output is 0. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve this in C#. So first we saw we already have a method called height checker, which is returning the int and have the heights as an parameter. The height checker method takes an integer array heights as an input parameter. We are going to create an array called expected and then copies the elements from the heights array into it. So first we are going to create an array called int expected, which would be the same length of the heights array. Now we are going to copies all the elements from the heights array into expected array. We are going to use array.copy method. Copy from heights to expected with exactly the same length. Now we are going to sort the expected array. Array.sort expected. Sorting the expected array is non-decreasing order as it's mentioned in the problem description. Now we are going to initialize a counter variable named count to 0. We are going to iterate through each element of the array using a for loop, and inside the for loop we are going to compare the element at the current index I in both the arrays and check if they are not equal. We are going to increment the count variable. So using the for loop, we are going to compare the elements at the current index in both the arrays. If they are not equal, we are going to increment the count variable. Now after the for loop complete, the method returns the final count representing the number of indices where height at index I is not equal to expected at index I. So we are going to return count. Now let's run this code and see if it's working fine. It's worked fine. Let's test with another condition, maybe example number 3. Custom test cases, replacing the input, run the code again, and it works. Our answer is matched with the expected answer. Let's submit this code, and it's perfectly accepted. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section and I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.